Hey everyone, combo charts are the best way to visualize two different types of data like sales revenue, large numbers, and conversion rate, percentages, on a single graph. This prevents one dataset from disappearing because its scale is too small compared to the other. Step 1. Highlight and insert, the data setup. We start with the data selection to tell Google Sheets exactly which variables you are comparing. Accuracy here ensures the chart labels itself correctly. Select your entire table, including the headers. Click Insert and then Chart. Google often defaults to a standard line or bar chart. If your datasets have different scales, one of them will look like a flat line at the bottom. Don't panic, we fix that in the next steps. Step 2. Choose the combo type, the visual mix. Now we are defining the chart type. A combo chart allows you to assign different shapes to your data series, making them instantly distinguishable. In the Chart Editor panel, right side, go to the Setup tab and click the Chart Type dropdown. Scroll down and select Combo Chart. What happens is Google Sheets will automatically turn one dataset into columns, bars, and the other into a line. This creates a clear visual hierarchy. Bars usually represent volume, how much, while lines represent trends or rates, how fast or well. Step 3. Map to the right axis, the scale fix. This is the most critical step for readability. We do this because you cannot measure percent on the same scale as dollars. One is too small to see. Switch to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor and expand the Series section. Use the dropdown under Apply To select the data series that is too small to see. Scroll down to the Axis option and change it from left axis to right axis. A second vertical scale appears on the right side of the graph. Now the bars are measured by the numbers on the left and the line is measured by the numbers on the right. Both are now perfectly visible. Step 4. Style and smooth, the professional finish. We finish with visual polishing. This turns a basic graph into a presentation-ready insight. In the same series menu, toggle on Data Labels for just the line series. This puts the exact percentage right above the points, so your audience doesn't have to guess by looking at the side scales. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.